Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Team 6 with the code PBL 508, the title Sell for a web-based digital product e-commerce platform. Okay, next. Okay, before we continue, let me introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Afsarsi and my colleagues.
My name is Muhammad Akbar Syabani.
My name is Abdul Rafi Ahmad.
My name is Ahmad Sani Arauf.
My name is Muhammad Irfan.
Okay, next slide. This is table of content. Okay, next slide. This is creative brief we have created. Okay, next slide. This is the results of SWOT analysis. Okay, next slide. Here are the results of the min mapping. Okay, next slide. Here is a thumbnail sketch of the logo. Okay, next.
Thank you. Okay, for this slide, we have the 5 alternative logo that we will consider as our product logo. This logo are the result of mind mapping and sketch that we made on the previous slide. Okay, please next slide. Okay, for this slide, we make several tests from the alternative logo from the aspect readability, consistency, clarity, and also the audience memory of the logo we have made. Okay, please the next slide. Okay, for the copywriting, we use the PASS formula. We choose PASS because this formula is suitable for our persona. That is a freelance designer who is on deadline and needs legal and premium asset. Okay, please next slide. Okay, for this slide, we have informative and friendly tone of voice. Then our tagline is sell for semua digital, semua mudah. And finally, the call to action we use is the ayo temukan semua asetmu sekarang. Okay.
In this slide, I will explain the digital media interactive graph. This design focus on improving user experience through several key elements, such as sign-in feature that allows user to easily create an account, and a product search feature that allows user to type in keyword and find the product. Rating and review feature to provide feedback on on the product quality. Chat support to provide real-time assistance and more. Okay, next slide. This is a draft of the interface layout that we have designed. The main page are the login and registration page. Okay, next slide. Then we have divided it into two flows, the seller flow and the buyer flow. In the buyer flow, there are the home page, product page, next slide, product detail page, payment page, and rating page.
Okay, in this slide, show the initial interface layout, focusing on the navigation, structure, and the main content area. And next slide, please. Okay, in this next slide, show the design of the login, registration, and homepage to facilitate the user access. Okay, next slide, please. This slide show the product display and several features such as the product filter, the sorter, and the product cart layout, and which are designed to make product exploration more efficient. Okay, next slide, please. Thank you. Okay, in this slide, it shows the product detail, checkout, and then the rating page, which complete the user transaction flow. So overall, the layout and the implementation emphasize ease of use, visual consistency, and the focused user experience. Okay, next.
Next, the wireframe implementation draft include a wireframe for uploading product and dashboard wireframe. Next, exhibition concept draft. Here we have developed several exhibition concepts such as exhibition themes, dress code, layout, color palette, specific times and location, and sponsorship.
Okay, this is my portfolio containing a collection of work and project that I have done, such as editing video and zoom background design. My strengths are that I am proficient in editing applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, and Figma. My weakness is that I need more time to complete a project.
And in my portfolio, there are several multimedia work projects such as the documentary, the videos that I edited, animated video that I did voiceover for, and the Instagram feed that I designed. And for my strengths, there are proficient in the several software programs such as the Adobe Illustrator, the Premiere, and the Canva. And my weakness is sometimes I was too focused on the detail, which slow down the process. Or some people said I was too perfectionist. Okay, next.
My portfolio contains several of my works such as poster design and video rebranding. My strength as an editor and videographer are that I quickly understand the tools available in the software, while my weakness is that I need a long time to work on a project.
Okay, next slide. This portfolio showcase multimedia work including digital poster, web design, and website editing. In the creation process, I used Adobe Premiere, Adobe Illustrator, and Figma. Each project was designed with attention to aesthetics, functional. This portfolio reflects my ability to combine creativity and technology to produce digital media that is both engaging and informative. Okay, next.
In my portfolio, there are several multimedia work projects such as the photography, the documentary, video that I videographer, and the editing sound, and the Twibbon that I designed. And my strength, I proficient in several software such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, and the Figma. And my weakness, I'm not very good at managing my time when I have many deadlines coming up. Okay. Here I will explain risk mitigation measures for indoor exhibition. Here are 4 risks that we have identified: accident caused by tripping or falling, power outage, uncontrolled visitor density, and fire.
Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.